What's up, guys and gals? Bitcoin explosive move past 30K. This actually took me by surprise. I did not think Bitcoin was going to go this high this quickly. But this is exciting. Who else is excited? So as you're seeing this major green candle here, we gone past 30K. We went all the way to 30,700. I kid you not, guys. I woke up at 4:30 this morning in Bali, right around the peak here. Does that ever happen to you guys? You wake up and you just check Bitcoin and it's like totally like peaking out, and it's like perfect that you got up and checked Bitcoin in that moment. So I had a strategy because I was, it's always good to have a strategy, guys. Because if you don't, you can get screwed. The better strategy you have, the better you'll do, basically. And it's important to commit to your strategy no matter what, because our emotions will get the best of us and we'll change our mind later, and we'll find all these reasons, especially if we watch the news, to why we shouldn't do what we committed to. Anyways, I bought a lot down here in this area from 25 to even up to 27. I'm glad I even bought in 27 because we just shot up like crazy here. But when I was buying down here, I committed that I was going to sell some when we got past this area around 29,783, basically around 30,000, from 30 to 31,000. I really liked this game plan because I was able to take a little bit of profits, not a lot, but made some decent money if just in terms of swing trading, to pay some bills. Not that I have to, but it's just kind of nice to have Bitcoin do the work for you. So my chart might look a little crazy to some people here, but what this is something I've been playing around a lot with. I learned this mainly from the blockchain backer, but you grab the, what is this called? The Fibonacci thing here. And it shows you different levels in the chart. So you'll notice that in each one of these lines, there's, some resistance. So this is kind of how I chose where I was going to enter. And then that pretty much anywhere past up in this area and beyond is a good selling point. And I could make another video on what I added. I actually added a line here at the 702. And according to the blockchain backer, many times in history, in the crypto charts and in the stock market, the charts go up to this 702 line and then they get rejected. So that's a really important line there historically for us to be aware of. So I'll keep you guys updated with that on the charts. Now, one thing that's interesting is with the Bitcoin astrology, we're coming up on the Pluto conjunct Bitcoin Jupiter. The last time this happened, the markets peaked out over here around 25,000, and then we did see a dip. Marcus did dip. Now it's kind of, it's a little bit uncertain if markets dipped, if that was more because Saturn was conjuncting the Bitcoin Venus, which was very bearish. And that's literally right when we saw the banks collapse. And then we saw that major dump all the way to 19,000 for Bitcoin. And so that's a little tricky, but if history repeats, maybe we could see a dump. This is very interesting that we're already up to 30K. It's going to be very interesting to see if we hang out up here, that we could easily just kind of hang out up here. Or if we'll come down to like 29,000 or 28,000 again, maybe to 27,000 even. But what we could still see a dump here around July 3rd when Pluto conjuncts the Bitcoin Jupiter, but that could be a great buying opportunity. I'll keep you updated on that. And for the Bitcoin astrology, I am looking at the progressions chart. One of the things that's happened recently is the progressed moon is trying the Bitcoin Venus. It's been in there for about 7 days now, and it's going to peak on July 14th, so that the markets could continue to trend upwards in July. So that's exciting, guys. That's some good news. That's kind of the main thing I see. So could see a little dump there, and then mid-July, maybe we're going to be heading up much higher, guys. That would be exciting. Let's zoom out a little bit. You know, we could kind of. So here, I can use this Fibonacci thing here. I think that's what it's called. I hope I'm not doing the wrong name. But this tool on TradingView, to figure out where we could head up to. So we could definitely head up to 35,000. Yeah, 35, 36,000. And that's around where we're. Okay, so yeah, I mean, we have some decent resistance from 30K up to around 35, 36. So that looks like the next level. Wait, let's see. Wait, 36 is right here. Yeah, so we'll probably head up to the next levels would be around anywhere from 30 to 36. And then after that, if it's super bullish, then we could head up to 42. But that could be later this year. So that's exciting. That's exciting. Who's excited to go? Who's excited for 36K, guys? That's epic. Now, timing is always tricky to, even the best traders, I think. I have this new, okay, sorry about that, guys. I have this new app on my computer that I got based on the interview that I just did with Carrie Bennett. And Carrie Bennett is actually a quantum biology expert. And if you've never heard of that, that's awesome, because I had never heard of it either a couple months ago. But she is putting out incredible information about our quantum biology, our cellular health. And I just did an interview with her, and I'm going to post it on the channel. And I'm going to, in the interview, you can learn exactly why it could be good to download this app that I have. It's called Iris. Basically, it's a long story. You got to watch the interview, but basically, it's not good for our eyes to be on our screens all day long. We need it. It actually can harm our biology. It can create depression, anxiety, brain fog. That's something that I've dealt with the past 10 years. Depression, insomnia. So if you're dealing with any of those symptoms, definitely watch this interview with Carrie Bennett that I'm going to put out very soon. I'm super excited about. She's been helping me basically change my life in many ways, to help me have more energy and basically get charged by the sun more, to wake up with the sunrise. And there's many, many reasons, scientific reasons for that, that could help y'all have better memory. So many health benefits, like almost you name it, health benefits. More energy, more focused, better brain power, so many things. So definitely check out that interview when it comes out. Anyways, so this is exciting. We could be heading up to 35, 36K in the next couple months. Maybe in the next month. I mean, this is bullish. This has happened a lot faster than I was expecting, this major candle here. Now, what's going to be really interesting to see is how long this candle holds up. These are the weekly candles here. So is the Bitcoin market going to hold up here all the way till the week ends, which is on the 25th, 26th? So we have about 4 more days to see if this candle holds up. if Bitcoin stays above 30K, or if it's just going to fall back down for another potential buying opportunity, which wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. All right, so what do you guys think about these markets? Are you guys selling any? I'm selling a little bit. All right, it's always good to take profits. Make sure you have a solid strategy. All right, guys, much love to you. Please like and share this video with your friends, your family, people that could benefit. And I will talk to you very soon. Much love to you.